We know we're looking at a gloomy day this Thursday.
Yeah, we've got on again, off again showers in the forecast for today. The radar is active, but it's nothing real significant right now. A little bit of drizzle, some mist out there, a couple of light showers in a few spots like up in parts of Decatur County. We've seen some showers lift through Wakulla and western Leon and into Gadsden, and they continue to lift north. There's actually more activity farther out to the west, and some of that will start coming our way a little bit later this morning and this afternoon. So it's going to be those periods of rain today, and that also means there's going to be periods where it's not raining. So if you pick your spots, you can avoid some of those showers and maybe even some thunderstorms that could pop up this afternoon. 67 in Tallahassee and in Valdosta. Got a pretty good breeze out there out of the east and southeast between 10 and 20 miles per hour, and I do think we're going to notice that breeze throughout the day today. Most of the temperatures in those mid-60s. I do see the 70 at Apalachicola this morning. I think that breeze turns a little bit more south and stays a bit on the breezy side, and that will keep bringing in the warm, humid, unstable air. And while I don't expect there to be a lot of fog, we could see some spots where the visibilities get reduced when the rains are coming down. Right now, most visibility is 9-10 miles. The main area of lower pressure, that energy is off to our west, and as it lifts north, it'll eventually slide more to the east. Once it gets across the area tomorrow, then we're done with this wave of showers. But I think today we have to look at it as these periods of rain where you get maybe a 45-minute or a 60-minute downpour, and then you get a couple hours where it's not raining at all, and then you could get another one later on. So this stripe that'll be coming from the west later on this morning and this afternoon, that looks like maybe the most significant one. And we're talking out to the west, maybe 10, 11 o'clock, across the middle like noon, 1 o'clock, to the east, maybe like 1, 2, 3 o'clock, depending on how quickly it moves and how things develop around it. That's probably going to be our best chance for the most organized rain. And then I still think we're talking some lingering showers into the first part of tomorrow, while this area of low pressure has to slide across the southeast. So we could probably still have some soggy, maybe all the way through lunchtime tomorrow before we start to clear out. And then once we do start to clear out, I like the shape of the forecast for Saturday. I'm starting to think that that next boundary is going to bring with it another shot for some showers or storms on Sunday, and we've got some time to fine-tune that. The SPC has put a slight risk for a big chunk of the area, and that's because we're going to have the warm, the humid, the unstable air. So we've got those ingredients lined up where I think we could get a couple of bigger thunderstorms. We will certainly keep our eyes on that. Please keep checking in with us throughout the day and afternoon. We'll have updates for you. On the Gulf today, small crafts need to be advised. Periods of rain and breezy at times, winds up to 20 or 24 knots. Let's go 60s this morning. I've got the rain chances at 70%, going to keep them there this afternoon. Doesn't mean it rains 70% of the time. It just means wherever you are, there's a 7 in 10 chance that you're going to get wet during that time period. And that time period is most of the day today. So expect it out there, but also plan for those breaks. I think we're going to see low 60s overnight tonight with some lingering showers. And here's the extended forecast. Tomorrow, probably a better chance to get up over 80, especially if we can clear out. Saturday looking like the best day of the bunch, but I think I like the way the forecast is shaping up for early next week, too.